Hello friends, welcome back to Soft. Today I'm going to show you some features of Zoom that most of the people don't know. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon next to it so you get notifications. So let's get started. Now take Zoom. I have already signed up. Click chat. This is the feature I'm going to show you today. So let me show you how to chat. Click contacts and you see a plus sign. Just click on that. So you see add a contact, create a channel, join a channel, add an app. Click add a contact. So you get a preview box here. Now just add your friend's email address. So now I'm typing. So after you enter your email, you get a preview box like this, and invitation has been sent to the email address. So you click OK. Now let's see the status of that friend request. So if you click external, you'll see the status. Now it is pending. So tell your friend to accept it. Let me show you how to accept a friend request. So this is the email address I have sent the friend request. Now tell that person to open the Zoom and click chat and click contact request. So you see I would like to add you as a contact, a friend request has been sent. Now just accept it. Now you guys can start chat. This is how you send friend request and start chat with them. The main thing is that if you want to meet them or do a video call, you don't have to send meeting ID and meeting link. Just if you click this, it goes like a normal phone call. If you have liked this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment your valuable suggestions.